Okay, here our goal is to solve this linear equation. Notice that we have x over 2 minus x over 6 is equal to 3 over 4. Notice that we have 2, 6, and 4, and these are the denominators of the fractions that we have here. But we do not want these denominators. We want to eliminate the denominators in this linear equation. And so what we're going to do is we're going to find the LCM of 2, 6, and 4. The LCM means lowest common multiple. And so the first thing we do is we list the multiples of 6. We list the multiples of 2, which are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and the list goes on. Next, we list the multiples of 4, which are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and the list goes on. And we list the multiples of 6, which are 6, 12, 18, 24, and the list goes on. And so that means the LCM of 2, 4, and 6 is definitely 12. And so we're going to take this LCM, this lowest common multiple, and we're going to multiply it by each term in this equation. So we multiply 12 by x over 2. We multiply 12 by x over 6. And we multiply 12 by 3 over 4. This will help us to eliminate the denominators. So we cancel the 2 and we have the 12 here. We ask ourselves, okay, how many times does 2 go into, how many times does 2 goes in itself? It goes in itself once. How many times does 2 go into 12? Well, 2 goes into 12 6 times. How many times does 2 go into, how many times does 6 go into itself? 6 goes into itself once. How many times does 6 go into 12? 6 goes into 12 twice. How many times does 4 goes into itself? Well, 4 goes into itself once, and 4 goes into 12 3 times. And so we have 6 times x, and 6 times x is definitely 6x. We have 2 times x, and 2 times x is definitely 2x. And we have 3 times 3, which is right here. 3 times 3 is definitely 9. All right, so that's why we have 3 times 3 here is 9. And 6x minus 2x is equal to 4x. And so we have 4x is equal to 9. Next, we divide both sides of this equation by the coefficient of x, which is 4. And so this cancel with that. So we get that x is equal to 9 over 4. And 9 divided by 4 is 2.25. And so x is equal to 2.25. And that's the answer to this linear equation.